Hello, welcome to LeGrow channel. I'm Harvey.
And here is sprinkling. Today, we will show you the LeGrow castle landscape we built a year and 3 months ago to see how it's working. And later, we'll make some changes and invite a waterfall into this system. So, let's go! This is the system requires low maintenance. It has natural scatter light coming in from the outside, and we water the plants once a week. You can see the plants are doing very fine here. They've grown a lot. Our old friend is Chidia. Looks like the green curtain here. Asparagus fern. The leaves turn a little bit yellow because we forgot to water it for a few weeks. We have connected all the pots here in this layer. You can see these green trays. And when you have to water it, just take that one pot and fill the water here, and the whole layer will be watered. So it's be very easy. In this castle scene, we use a lot of 3D printing castle pots. And this one conversion 4 pots make the tower. You can see these are the art pots that can change one pot into 3. We use them to build a wall. People will ask how the plants from upstairs absorb water from down here. The answer is they can't. You have to water the plants one by one. And when you build the towers too high, the structure will be unstable, like this. We have designed this little stabilizer for this situation. There are also the connectors for the self-watering tray. You can see the structures is more stable, they don't shake like before. And the top layer plants have a 7-day water storage, so you don't have to worry about them.
Time to invite a great waterfall into the scene. We get inspirations from the Oracle of Changi Airport. It is one of the biggest indoor waterfalls in the world. It brings in lots of moisture air and creates a good climate for the plants in the valley. We move some of the pots away and shift the clock tower a little bit to make room for the waterfall. In the last video, we have explained how the waterfall is working. Watch the video for more information if you have missed it. The waterfall is easy to assemble. The container captures most of the water, and no water will spill out. It will go into the circulatory system again, so you don't have to refill the water frequently. We connect the layer with self-watering trays. Fill in one tray, the water will go to all the other trays. Place a bit sphagnum at the bottom of the pots. We find it a good way to storage moisture for the plants. And this also prevents the roots suffer from lack of oxygen. This plant reminds me of the palm trees in the airports. Remember the bird nest tower? Perfect planter for the hanging plants. In the new scene, we use many of the old plants and introduce some new members to imitate the plants in the airport valley. You will find mini palms, shrubs, arbors, and a little bit color. It is good to have indoor running water. It will encourage the air flowing, ventilation, and increase moisture in your house. This is good for creating microclimate for your planting system and also good for our health.
So that's all for today. If you're interested in the 3D printing pots as well as the waterfall and the bird nest, check out our website. We have a discount code for all products these days. Hurry up! We'll see you next time. Bye bye.